I'm not feeling alright, staying up till sunrise.
Hey, I like your look going on. You gonna just ignore me like that? I'm complimenting you.
I said thanks.
Okay, so it's like that, huh? You want to play like that? Yeah, I did. Because I complimented you and you ignore me, but it's a nice. Yeah, it's a nice wig though. I like it.
Oh my goodness.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I help you with your groceries? I'm trying to. Ooh, hot Cheetos!
Who told Young Thug to do this? His dad's looking dirty.
That girl was weird. She was talking about, you don't eat my booty, so I don't want to date you anymore. Why would I even do that? I don't even do things like that. Like, I'm clean. You know what I mean? Like, it's just crazy to me. I think I dropped, like, a stack of money. Did you guys see it? No. Let me see your pockets, then.
Bro, I don't got nothing, bro. Like,
What about the other pocket?
what other pocket, man?
That. Oh, what's that behind?
Gotcha, bitch.
Give me that, man. You got caught. Come on, man. You can't prank a prankster. You the one who picked it up?
I sure did. I'm sorry.
Give me that, man. Oh, I'm saying you can't be like taking my money like that. Hey, excuse me, y'all. I just want to see. Like, I'm just trying to make new friends and stuff. Can I join your group? Why y'all like laughing at me? What's the problem?
No.
Why are you laughing at me?
Why you fuck us on
Well, why does she keep laughing at me though?
What does it matter?
No, you keep laughing. No, that's not.
Oh my god. By his dress. That is
Hey, Mr. Hey, excuse me. Is that your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I know this is random, but I'll give you $30,000 if you break up with him right now.
What's going on over here?
Huh? Nothing.
What's going on over here? What you mean?
Nothing. I was just gonna give her money to break up with you.
And you gonna take it? That what you want? That what type of time y'all want? What y'all?
How you gonna just do that to him like that?
So that how you feel? 30,000. So you done with 30,000?
She gonna just do
Oh my god!
like that, huh? Yo, are you serious? You're cheating on me with this guy? Oh, now you gotta act like you don't know me. We were on a date last week. I took you to a steakhouse. I bought you new shoes. And now you're gonna cheat on me with him? Bro, do you know what's going on here?
I know you. Don't believe that shit.
Now you gotta act like you don't know me.
I do not know you.
We went out last week.
What's my name?
You were at my house and everything.
At your house.
Yes. You don't know what's going on with her?
Now he really finna beat you up. You better start telling the truth.
Listen. I know everything about you.
No,
I know that.
This man's want me to roast his whole family.
You sure you got a
Look at this
boyfriend?
one.